Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, you just need to first sign in to your Google Analytics as well as the Google Tag Manager. Now once you have signed in, just head over and start. Click on this one. Let's put in here an account name. So for example, let's just name it HTM. And in here, just put in here the Google account data sharing settings. Just try to check whatever is actually relevant to you. After that, click on the next right here, then create the property right here. Just put in here the property that you are looking for and the property name that you have, as well as reporting time zone, British pound, and all of these things right here. So I'll just put in here a random property name. After that, just click on next, and in here just need to describe your business. So just put in here on the industry. So for example, for me, I'll just put in here the industry of finance, and in here just put in here your business size. For me, I'll just put in small. After that, click on next, and you just need to create your business objectives. So for example, for me, I'll generate leads, drive online sales, and after that, and click on create. So in here, once you have done that, just read these terms and conditions. After that, just click on this I accept data processing right here and click on I accept again, and then this will load like this, and the account and property has been created. Now you can see that we have this right now, so we need to start creating data. So you can also click on this web right here in order to choose a platform. Now just put in here your website. So this is just a dummy website for me, htm.com. And then for example, you can put in here your stream name. So for example, I'll just put in here my store. Click on create stream right here. And as you can see, it will be created. And as you can see, the data collection isn't active for your website. So what you need to do is you need to install tags. So in here, you can see the tag instruction. So if you click on this, you should be able to see the installation instruction right here. So let's head over to our Google Tag Manager. Click on create account. And on this one, just put in here account name as well as the actual country. And you can also share this data anonymously, and you just need to look for the container setup. So for me, I'll just put in here the web, and then I'll just put in here the website that I put in earlier. After that, click on create. Then in here, it will open this Google Tag terms and conditions. Click on this checkbox. After that, click on yes. And then once you have done that, this will actually load, and as you can see, it's loading right now. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, you can install it by pasting this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So just copy this code as well as this code right here. And from there, just head over and edit your website. And once you have refreshed it, it should be able to be connected to Analytics on Google Tag Manager. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!